My dear friends, this is Dr. Pandit Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. In view of COVID second wave, lockdown is partially announced, and since more number of people are infected, there are more chances to go for further lockdowns. So this will definitely give a very adverse impact in production, manufacturing, and IT sectors. Now, the people have not only gone for work from home scheme, but also recruit people on contract. And they don't give a priority for the existing senior personals. They recruit new staff, and the new staff have also been brought under other companies' muster roll. So now there are a lot of changes have been taking place in the recent times. This is because of to reduce the cost of the operational cost in the companies and production units and IT sectors. So let us see that how it has given an adverse impact in terms of employment among the existing employees as well as the new recruits. Presently, the companies, offices, and IT sector people have started recruiting fresh candidates. And the fresh candidates கூட on contractல through other master role through manpower agency மூலம் வாங்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. இதனால் என்ன பெனிஃபிட் கார்பரேட்டுக்கு அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் சேலரி கேன் பி ரெடியூஸ்ட். ஏன்னா எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் எம்ப்ளாயிஸை திருப்பி அவங்கள வந்து ரீகால் பண்ணி அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குற சேலரியை விட ரொம்ப குறைச்சலாக இருக்கும். தே கேன் ஆல்சோ எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் மோர் ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் தீஸ் பீப்புள். ஸோ நவ் த ப்ரெசன்ட் ட்ரெண்ட் இஸ் ரெக்ரூட்டிங் ஃப்ரெஷர்ஸ் through this contractors for various junior positions. அதோடு மட்டும் இல்லை, முன்னாடி உள்ள எம்ப்ளாயீஸுக்கு இருக்கக்கூடிய சேலரி விட குறையாக இருக்கிறதுனால the company is able to get more work at a minimum cost. This trend has started taking place in many corporates. The contractual recruitment is not only restricted to the junior staff recruitment but also with the senior people. So they are slowly getting rid of the existing senior staff and giving priority newly recruited staff through contractors. So this will consequently reduce the cost of the employees. So the income which they expect will go down, and they will also get more productivity from these people. So this is another way creating unemployment among many people. So the freshers or inexperienced people can come and learn the experience and get their job, but at a lower wages than the salary was paid to the previous employees. So this is another technique the corporates and companies and manufacturing units have started implementing. So let us wait and see what is going to happen to the existing employees, because once they are thrown out, they'll find it difficult to pull on their livelihood. The workload is piled up. What there's a reward, salary, what they get is not proportionate to their hard work. There is an equilibrium. But the CTC to the company is very less. So they try to be advantageous. But at the same time, employees are not paid to the work which they are providing to the companies, manufacturing units, as well as IT sector. So this salary, what they get is somewhat difficult to manage these present economic conditions, and the other growth prospects and the advantage to the employees is also limited due to the repeated corona wave. So this is a scenario. So they find to match the workload a little complicated and delicating, and it requires a lot of their effort to complete their work. So that's the scenario existing. The employees feel so desperate and put in despair. Money is limited and the revenue is also limited, and they don't find much more very good opportunities to shift to other companies, other corporate. So within this limited opportunity, they'll have to fight for their job as well as their livelihood. So they feel it is little very difficult to manage a scenario. This is as a result of the COVID infection as well as COVID, the first and the second wave. So the rate of unemployment also goes up, and the people who have been already working got no job at all now presently. The fresh is also getting a very low revenue. So this is a really unpleasant scenario today.